I can't contain myself. I did that. I finally figured it out. I finally figured it out. Absolutely. See how nasty my hair is? Like this is disgusting. And I think I want to straighten it, so I was grabbing this serum, but you want to see how I do it? Because listen, I actually went to a hairstylist and she taught me how to do it. So I want to see if I can actually put it to the test. And I'm going to be using all of her products. They're about 12. It is a serum and it's like a heat protectant and it just like make your hair silky and smooth and stuff. But anyway, come on, let's go. First things first, I'm gonna do this mud mask. The objective is to clarify the hair. So we're gonna go in with a mask and also a shampoo. These are specific for straightening hair, so I'm gonna use those. And you don't wanna like heavily moisturize your hair. So you need a moisturizer that is going to be like detangling, but very lightweight, and you must rinse it all out. But I'm gonna go in with this one. It is their clover scent. All of her products are plant-based, so they're just very gentle on my hair. I'm gonna detangle with that in my hair, and then I'm gonna go in with the 1212 Protect Hair Mist. I'm just gonna spray this on as like my leave-in, but it's actually my heat protectant. This is a detangler slash heat protectant leave-in situation, and it says to shake well, spray on damp hair, blow dry, and style as desired. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all of these products and hit in the shower. Y'all, so I'm in here. I'm actually about to film the actual review of the Dyson Airwrap Complete. Girl, I don't know, it's a long name, but I'm gonna be using this brush attachment. If you guys want to watch that video, I'll have it linked either here or below for you to check that out. But I will come back when we are completely blown out. Add this 1212 hair serum. It says just add 1 pump to the entire head, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just 1 pump. Well, I don't think it knows how big my head is. Ooh, it smells so good, and it already looks smooth. Y'all see how that just did? Add a little bit of my Beyond the Zone heat protectant as well. I used to love and swear by this stuff when I was like in college. It smells good too. I'm gonna be using my Babyliss Pro Prima 3100. It's the one that have the metal plates all the way around, and I have it at 410. So I'm gonna let that get hot. I actually think it's already hot. I want this to come out really nice and sleek. That's what I'm talking about, baby. One pass, that's all. When they say your silk press is only as good as your blowout. Okay. Okay, I'm just doing some trimming. I actually have no idea how to trim for real. I really just do what feels right. And I feel like when I pull it out to the side and I look at it like this, that feels right. And I feel like I need to just kind of cut at an angle when I do this. Just kind of like round it off. Yeah, like that. Okay. That's this side, a little airy, a little free. That's this side, a little heavy, a little me. I'm just kidding. I don't know, girl. Listen, we're just doing what we gotta do. Don't know what we're doing though. I'm doing the best I can, though. This is so therapeutic for me. This ain't therapeutic for y'all. I know y'all probably like, girl, nah. Take me to the hair salon, baby. I feel you, friend. But I ain't got hair salon money. What I do, it ain't going to the hair salon. Ooh, these ends is horrid over here. These are not that sharp. Okay. What do you think? I want to do like really big curls too. I want to flip the bottom under, and then I want these to go backwards, so I want to half in my hair. Flipping these upwards, so I'm just gonna comb it out like that. Take the curler, start in the middle, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Ba-da-doom. Now this look real good. I feel like it's about to come out right. I feel like it's about to come out good. Good. I wish my monitor was on. I really can't see myself besides this little mirror that I have. But I don't even know why I put all these rollers in, knowing that it's gonna snag my hair. But it's only snagging because I put too much hair on a roller. Girl, look at me making a whole mess, honey. But they don't be taking my hair out, so, well, it took a strand. So I rolled these at the bottom. I rolled those up, and oh my gosh, I love it already. You see what it's doing? It's creating like a bouncier bottom, and that's what you want. You want both sides to like collide, like the both directions of the curl. You want them to collide. If you go opposite direction when you're curling your hair, it'll get more voluminous. Like, it'll be so cute. Oh, this is so pretty. I can't contain myself. I did that. I finally figured it out. I finally figured it out. Look at that bottom. And I did this side way better than this side when it comes to the bottom. I don't know about the top. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.